Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is PJ. As you guys know, in this channel we used to drop daily analysis on boom and crash and step index. So guys, today if you are watching my channel for the first time, kindly subscribe to this channel and click on the notification button to notify you when next I drop my next video. And also guys, you can comment and like on this video. You can share us your experience using different strategy on this channel. And also today, I'm going to introduce to you another wonderful strategy that can really help you to catch up just $1 per trade. You know, as you see, this is boom 1000 on 5-minute time frames. What we are doing with this strategy is to catch up just only two candles, just two candles. And if you open two candles with the lot size of 0.20, that is going to be $1 per trade. So guys, I'm going to explain the settings of this strategy for you guys so that you can see before I show you how this strategy really works. So we have the oscillator, we have the K period to be 50, we have the D period to be 3, we have the slowing to be 3, we have our feed to be in low high, and we have our method to be simple, and we have our color here. So you can choose any color of your choice, but make sure that the one that I have as a white here is also the color of your background. So if you are using black background, make sure you choose black color here. And also I have the two level here, which is 90 and 10. So these two levels are very important in the oscillator settings. And also we have the moving average, the period of 50, we have the shift of 0, we have the method to be exponential, we have apply to open. So and we also have our color here. You can choose any color of your choice, then you press on done. Then we have our last sorry for that. So we have this color to be here, so you just screenshot it and press on done. Then with this you have the same settings I have it the way I have it here. So what you only need to do when it comes to boom 1000 5-minute time frames for you to catch up just only two candles is you have to wait for your moving average, which is this two moving average, to reach your 90 level. And when it reaches your 90 level, that is the first assurance that you have. And also, if you keep on checking now, you will see that we have our oscillator 9 that is ranging in that 90 level, and before the two moving average cross over the horizontal or over the total stick 9. So once it crosses, then this is the right time for you to enter the trade, and you can enter at this level. Yes, exactly this level. Then you count your two candle down, and you want to catch up your trade. You see, so this is exactly what is going to be happening in the market from time to time. You see, it also respects this particular level here. You see, once it crosses the total stick oscillator, then you want to count down your two candle. You see, you can catch up all this within up to 10 times 20 times in a day. You see, when it cross from this level, then you can enter your trade, catch up your two candlestick, then out of the market. So this strategy only works on boom 1000 and it works on boom 500. So guys, so you see exactly what I'm telling you guys here. You see what happened here when the total stick is ranging within the 90 period, then you wait for the two moving average to cross the what, to cross the total stick. Then you enter your trade at this level. You see, at this level. So once you enter at this level, then you catch up your two candlestick, then you out of the market. So you can do this most especially as a beginners to grow up your little fund. And you see that same thing happen here. This moment, you see, once it's reach above the 90 level, you wait for the two moving average to cross over, and once it's cross over, then you enter your trade at this level. So You see another one is here. So you can also catch up to $10 in a day if you keep on and you stick to the rules of this strategy, guys. So it works on boom 1000 and it also works on boom 500. So guys, you see, you can also use this strategy to catch up a spike also. What you just need to is when the moving average is ranging below the 10 level, then you know that particular strategy is going to give us a spike very soon, and the moving average is respecting that zone too. You see, like something that happened here, if you keep on checking, you see same thing always happen. It always happen. You see, anytime we are having our sort of stick ranging below the 10 level, then you know that a spike is what is coming on the up, is coming on the uptrend very soon. You see, so that's exactly how it always happens. You see, it always works here. Once it move below the 10 level, then you keep on see spike. That is what that is moving on the uptrend. So guys, most especially as a beginner, you can just start with a little fund, but I will advise you to start with your demo account, because no strategy that is 100% accurate. What you just need is to master one strategy and make sure that you try it on your demo account, practice it till you are perfect on it before starting using it on your real account. So guys, if you are watching this channel for the first time, kindly subscribe to this channel and click on the notification button to notify you when next we drop another beautiful strategy. And also you can like and comment on this video, and we have our Telegram group where you can also join for more updates on boom and crash analysis. Thanks.